Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerline. If you're new here, welcome. I create motivational, inspirational lifestyle content for other mom bosses just like me. So I just started my new Canva business series on content creation. I get straight to the point. In under 5 minutes, I give you a tutorial to teach you how to create visually appealing content for your audience. Are you ready for class? Let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to first start off with your brand kit. And your brand kit, to me, is your foundation. It sets the foundation for all of the content that you create. If you do not have Canva Pro, if it fits your budget, please get Canva Pro. Upgrade from the free to Canva Pro because many of the things that I share with you is only accessible if you have the Pro account started. So if you look on the left column under Tools, you'll see your brand kit. So if you go ahead and click on Brand Kit, we're going to go ahead and create a new one. I'm going to go ahead and give it the title of Canva Business Series. All right, we're going to create this kit. You are able to create branded templates here in Canva. That's going to be a separate tutorial that I'll go over. So if you already have your logo, you'll go ahead and upload your logo. If you were working with a graphic designer and creating your logo and creating your brand, you can go ahead and ask them, and they should be able to supply you your hex color codes. And basically this 6-digit code basically represents a color. So if you're working with a graphic designer, they should already give you this code. If not, if you have your logo, you can use imagecolorpicker.com. You can upload your logo, and at the bottom, it'll give you the color codes based off of colors on the image. What you would have to do is just hover your mouse over the image and it'll give you that specific shade. So let's just say you are new to your business. You don't even have a graphic designer or a logo or anything like that yet. You don't even know what your brand colors want to be. You can go on color-hex.com. You can browse through their color palettes and see which ones that you like, and you can create your own brand colors that way. These colors, all of the hex codes are right here. And so you would just copy this and paste it here and you'll get that same shade. And another website is colorpalettes.net. I could go ahead and copy this, go ahead and paste it here, and there you go. Click enter, that's the color. Click another plus button, add this color code, and there you have it. So just like that, I created this palette. One cool thing you can do is give this palette a name. So I might just say brand colors, right? Colors. So let's just say you want to be able to create a digital workbook, or you're creating a specific campaign and you want to use a specific color that's not your brand color. You can create a specific color palette for that as well, okay? So all you have to do is click that button and give it a title, and then add your colors that you want, okay? And just that simple. So anytime that you're working on this workbook, you can go ahead and pull the colors that you created for that workbook. You can then go to fonts and add your specific fonts. So the fonts that I like to use is Cinzel. The other one is Open Sans. And I'm just going to do anyone, just a random one, okay? So anytime I am in my design space in Canva and I'm working on my headings, Cinzel will always be the one that pops up, and Open Sans, and the one for the body. So having this here is very helpful, so you don't have to keep searching through Canva for the font each time. It'll be in a specific area. If Canva does not already have the font that you use for your brand, you can always upload the font here as well. Once you upload the font, you'll be able to add it in the specific area, either headings, subheadings, or body. Okay, so this generic template popped up, and I'm going to show you how to incorporate your brand kit. So if you go here to the left under text, as you see here, it says Vision Board Brunch. If you click that down button, you'll see the brand kits that you have, and I'll click the Canva Business Series, and as you can see, they populate right here. I can upload it here. Another way that I can upload it is If I click here, I can click the drop down menu and it's over here as well. I can just click on here and it updates. It updates it for me. Everything is right here for me. And that simplifies the process. It saves you so much time. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you how the colors help as well. So if I am changing this color, I click on this color block right here. My brand color is already up here. I can just change it. And it's just that simple. That's why it's very important to set that foundation. Setting the foundation is a key step to being successful in creating visually appealing content for your audience. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you hit that like button and let me know if this is something that you're interested in, if you would like to see more content, and if you have a specific video that you want to see, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them below and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.